Hello everybody, it is Dan here from the HoogleyBoogley Network. So today, I'm going to continue my web development bootcamp series, except instead of HTML, we're doing PHP this episode. So let's learn our basic math functions. So first, let's learn how to start PHP. So let's add PHP. We can make sure it works by adding echo hello world. Now, it won't show up on here because this is for an HTML. But if I go to my live web server real quick, so now I'm on my web server, we can see it says hello world. So that means our PHP is working. So let's get rid of our line. So let's start off by making some forms, just like what we did in the calculator. So that way we can get whatever variables we want. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a form method get. I think it's better to do get because that way we can save it and share it, while with post you can't really save anything. So let's put an input type text name X. Now let's set up more and let's make this one Y. So let's label them. So and let's set another paragraph here Y. So if we go back to our web server and refresh, we can see we have our forms right here. So let's make our variables. So variable X is equal to $_post square brackets single quotes X. End it off with a semicolon like all codes. Now let's copy and paste this line as Y and Y. Nothing happens, because nothing should. Since this is all the back end, what we are looking at is the front end. So what we want to do now is the math. So let's multiply X times Y. So what we do is echo. Now our string, X times Y. Now let's put in our X, which is 1, or let's do 2 and 2. So I just caught my mistake. If we go up here and see we have post, we need to change it to get. So let's delete this and make it get. Save it. Now we can go here and refresh. Now we can see it'll echo 4. So let's try another one. Let's try 2 times 6. We get 12. Now let's do some more functions. How about, let's try division. So we can add our division sign. And then go here. Let's do 12 or 16 divided by 2. We have 8. What if we do addition? So let's do 2 plus 2 is 4. And we can't forget about subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now this is just a really basic example. So let's try square root. So we are not going to need the y, so we can just ignore that for now. So how you do square root is you do SQRT and open your parentheses. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add variable x and close it off with a semicolon. So let's make variable x, let's do 64. we should be left with 8, and that is the square root of 64. Now if you want to do square, that's self-explanatory. You'd essentially do variable x multiplied by variable x. And yep, that's 64 squared. So if we look at our URL bar, you can see how it is. This is what get does. If we did post, we wouldn't not see this. The URL would look like this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys learned something today. If you'd like to see more boot camps, please subscribe and give me a like and tell me below in the comments. Until next time, see you guys later.